So imagine you have index.html and styles.css. You have this stuff container and you're in your index.html and you want to check, oh my god, what's the style for this container says? And I have to go to style.css, like
CSS,
you know,
then look for it.
It's stressful,
yeah.
like exactly, it's stressful. So what CSS peak does is that you can control over on it and you see it.
And whoa, okay, I'm installing CSS peak.
Anyway, it blew your mind.
like that's nice. It reduces all the stress.
Yeah, it does that. Like, I love it so much. And
how can we avoid this tutorial hell?
Hey, okay, firstly, what's tutorial hell? I had to learn the meaning after falling into it 100 times. Like I had to know it by force by fire. Like tutorial hell is basically you being in the loop of learning, watching tutorials like continuously without building an actual project. And like when you try to build project, you still find yourself going to use all those tutorials like you're in a loop. You can't actually